In this video I'm going to show how to clear your YouTube search history. It's very simple and easy, so let's begin. First I need to open up YouTube application and get into my profile. I need to tap on that profile icon at the top right, and here I need to tap on settings. And there I look for history and privacy option. And here it is on the second place, clear search history feature. I tap on it and I got a message that YouTube search history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices, and my video recommendations will be reset but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. Keep that information in mind and tap on Clear Search History button. And now my search history is cleared. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.